How's it going, everyone? Guess what? I am about to move my house. The thing is about this video is that I actually recorded the video about packing the stuff to move my house last year. So this video is actually not going to be about moving my house, but packing the stuff in my office to move my house. This is present moment, but the video you're about to see shows me packing up from last year. I'll put some pictures in the video to show you the rest of my cleaning up, and then I will be back and then let you know how everything went with the move after I packed everything up. I am definitely probably going to start with all of the stuff that is on my shelves, including my books and all of my tchotchkes. Those things are just decorations right now, so they can go away. There's the boxes that I have to use, and then I have some more boxes right here. And then I'll pack the books that are up there in the loft as well. Let's get started! We have a lot of books. I'm just going to fill it and then maybe keep it in the storage area. You have to move around a lot of stuff. Lots of stuff. Just you move, move, move. Everything gets moved, but a lot less stuff to move. So I guess that's a good thing, huh? Yeah. Looks like we got the first shelf done. I filled this bucket with them, so it's pretty heavy. The thing that I could do is move it around the ladder and back up against the couch bed storage so that it's up in that room and I don't have anything to do with it. But to balance out the weight of the trailer, maybe I will put some of the bins in the kitchen just to like offset and balance it. Now to move the bin around the ladder, and then I'm gonna clear off some of the other stuff, and then I'm gonna move over to that side and do that side. Second bin, it's kind of small, but I'm going to work on this side now. It looks like we're done with this one too. Now what I'm going to do is take care of the tinctures, the tonics, and all the herbal stuff in the office. They're all little bottles, so I do have a couple small boxes and containers that I could put those in. Here are all the tinctures that I have to box. There's tons of them, there's hundreds of them. All these products, all of those products. But here's what I was talking about. There are 3 each of all of these, and then the rest of it goes all the way back there. So all of these things could fall when they move the house. I honestly don't know if there's going to be any rhyme or reason to me putting these in here. Like I said, I have 3 of each. They're in alphabetical order, and I have 69 tinctures total. They're going to be out of order. They're going to be out of alphabetical order. Look, I found padding! I'm just gonna make them fit. now both of them will close. Hey, what are you doing up there? Rocklyn. Rocky. Rachichi. Chi-Chi? Did you know I was gonna film you? What are you doing? All right, time to fill the rest, or this last one with this bottom shelf, and probably these right here. Okay, these three are done. Whoosh! Okay. What an entrance, huh? And now I've gained another box. So this we'll just put to the side. What I was doing was consolidating the lip balms to hopefully make some more room for the lip balms in this case right here, but it didn't work out, so I kind of just put the rest of them in a bag. Now we also have this crate to use for probably some more of the decor and stuff like that. I don't know what I'm going to put the rest of my herbals in. I even have to still do all of those as well. But for now, I'm going to fill this blue crate with my DVDs and some of the tchotchkes I have around my house that are my personal ones. That's everything I put in there. I'm wondering if those shelves need to go, so I'm wondering if I could just keep them on there.
He's such a curious cat. Rachi, you's a curious cat? Look it, he's so curious.
I'm going to fill this bucket with more tchotchkes. I actually went outside and got 7 or 8 more plastic bins, boxes, and crates that I had in my outside storage in the tongue box. I keep those like on hand for occasions like this, so good thing it comes in handy. So I'm just gonna finish putting a couple of these, the rest of these tchotchkes in here, and then find some more tchotchkes, say maybe on the wall, and that'll be the designated tchotchke box. Stuff like this can definitely fall off, so I'm taking all this stuff off and putting them in the bucket too. I'm thinking that I am definitely going to have to take everything out of the kitchen cabinets as well, because there is nothing inside the kitchen cabinets that's holding anything on there. So once the house starts moving either this way or this way, all the stuff's gonna fall all over on top of each other. One of my friends gave me these things, which are basically they go in cabinets or drawers, like as a shield or a shelf. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can put this in like across there, so that I don't have to take anything out of there. We're just gonna need to push the stuff back a little bit. I really don't know how sturdy that's gonna be, but we'll leave it. We'll find out. We're also gonna finish. See, there's no room in this office right now because I have all of these containers. I'm going to take this and I'm gonna finish putting the rest of that stuff in here. Hopefully it'll all fit. Now to move to the other side. Alright, so I thought I was recording that whole time when I filled the bucket, so I guess I wasn't. Filled this whole bucket, and now I have these left to go, and then there's some stuff, beard balm and beard oil still up there. I found a small box that I'm going to put these things in. Okay, looks like all of it fit in there. Now all we have to do is this bottom cabinet. Here is the mess in the office. So far, all of this stuff has to go with. That was how to pack a tiny house for moving your tiny house. A little bit of an information that happened after I moved my house. Not one thing fell. Just to be honest with you, I don't think I needed to do any of that packing. I guess it depends on how far you're gonna move. I only moved maybe, I don't know, like 1 minute away. So if you're in a tiny house and you're moving across the country, then yes, pack everything up, because the movement of the truck can break things, the movement of the house can break things. Be mindful, pack everything up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next video where you'll actually see my house being moved. And please like, share, and subscribe, and do all that great stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, Rocky on the ladder again. Look at that cat. What are you doing? Were you coming down? This one. What is wrong with you? Bye, baby. Where are you going? What are you doing? That side. No, don't do that. Stop doing that.